In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wiper arm. There's a cap right here. Just grab the cap, pop that off. Using a 15mm socket, take this nut off. Now grab the arm, rock it back and forth. And it comes right off. And you can do the same on the other side. I'm just using a pick. You want to take these clips off. You could use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get behind there. These just come off. Take those off and grab the cowl and just pop it up. There's just clips underneath here. And pull that out of the way. Now I'll take these screws off, use a 8mm socket. Take these two screws out, use a T25 socket. And just lower that reservoir. And same on the other side. Those out. Now just grab this panel, tip it up, and it comes right out. Grab the cover, just pull up. It's just secured on there with some grommets. Slide it out of the way. Loosen up this worm clamp here. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. That's good. Now using a 8mm socket, take this screw out. Take that one out. It's going to be loose. Disconnect this hose right here. Just push on the two lock tabs on either side. It slides off. Loosen up this worm clamp here. Use an 8mm socket. Loosen that up. And that should be loose enough. Just grab the hose. Slide that off and pull it right off. Remove this wire retainer from the stud. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath there. Pop that up. Disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. Slide that off. Just move the wire out of the way. Using a 8mm socket, take this bolt out. Grab the coil, Just twist it back and forth, and it comes right out. Just going to use some compressed air and just clean out the spark plug tube. That's good. Take the coil, slide that down, push it down all the way. Put the screw in. Snug that down. Take the wire retainer, push that on. Connect the connector. And you can do the same for the other ones. I'm going to take this intake tube, get this lined up. That's good. Push this hose on, lock that down. Take the bolt, get that started. Snug that down. Tighten down the worm clamp. And just snug that down. Tighten down this clamp. Just snug that down. And put the cover on. Push it down. I'll put this panel in place. Get the screws started. I'll tighten those down. Snug that down. And snug that one down. And do the same on this side. And get the bolt started. And snug these down. And take the upper cowl, get that lined up. And push it down. I'm going to take the clips, line those up, and push them on. And these ones have the little brackets on them. Push those on. Take the wiper arm, get that lined up. Put the nut on. And tighten that down. The cap on. And we'll do the same on the other side. Make sure it's lined up on the windshield where it was. Just hold the arm while you snug it down. Take the cap and press it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.